Dozens of people protested in downtown Normal today about Medicaid funding cuts. They feel one of our local lawmakers isn't representing the wants and needs of constituents. Liz Lape was there.
Protesters marched through downtown Normal Monday afternoon to advocate against Medicaid cuts in front of Representative Darren LaHood's office. Last month, the U.S. House proposed up to $880 billion in cuts to Medicaid, which would lead to cuts in Medicare. In February, out of 17 Illinois House representatives, LaHood, a four-term Republican, was one of three that voted in favor of the cuts. Protesters like Crystal Abel say LaHood has betrayed his voters, who rely on Medicaid, especially seniors, children, community service providers, and those who are disabled.
This is the money that keeps hospitals open, pays our caregivers, and provides critical services for older adults and people with disabilities.
Medicaid is the primary comprehensive health and long-term care program used by 1 in 5 Americans. Abel says this is a nonpartisan issue.
Medicaid is not just a health care issue. It is a racial justice issue, an economic justice issue, a disability rights issue, and a gender justice issue.
James Gould, a father from West Dundee, Illinois, came to Normal to speak out for his disabled son, who lives in a group home that is 100% Medicaid funded. As he and his wife age, he's concerned if funding is cut, their quality of life would be greatly reduced.
He would be at home in our basement watching TV rather than what he's doing this morning, which is out with his friends, involved in the community, learning new things and tasks, and living a semi-independent life.
In a statement, Congressman LaHood says the U.S. is facing a national security crisis and is $36 trillion in debt. He believes Congress needs to address this by reducing what he calls waste, fraud, and abuse in federal spending. LaHood also says Congress is working to increase transparency, support underserved communities, and prioritize care for the nation's most vulnerable. In Normal, Liz Lape, 25 News.